Ladies and gentlemen, Rockingham is back. The Rock is back. Boogity, boogity, boogity! Oh, it's Currey boys and Tony! Green flag at the Rock! Fuck you, Chandler Smith. Fuck you, fucking child neglecting bitch. I think there's 34 degrees of banking here and 36 at New Atlanta. Fuck you, Chandler. Fuck you. Dumb bitch. It wasn't one of my favorite fucking drivers until I found out what the fuck he did last week. Really liked him. No more. No more. Oh, who is it? Oh, it's Mosack. Okay, whatever. Well, we were trying to guess how many cautions it was going to be. Yeah, I was about to say, we're going to look back and it's going to be the fucking... Oh, Bayley Currey has damage. I was about to say, we're gonna come back and it's going to be a caution. It's going to be fucking... A fucking car long crash, fucking barreling on the backstretch. Damn it, Bayley Currey. Damn it. From Driftwood, Texas. That's the fucking weirdest town name ever. I'm fucking Edders, so... I mean, right to the fucking road is fucking Yoakum Town, which from people that aren't from here say fucking Yo come down. Oh. Ooh. Income's fine. Fuck was that little box? Damn. I don't think there's much damage for him. Income should be fine. Remember when Income was a fucking prospect? Oh my god. Oh, Mosack, you... So you were guessing about like 8, 9 cautions, 10 with stages, 10, 11 with stages. It's lap 4 out of 2. Jesus Christ, it's 200 laps. Okay, I didn't know that long. I thought it was gonna be like 150, maybe 100. Actually, I guess 200 actually makes sense. Never mind. This is a fast fucking track for having. Dude, it looks so fucking weird having it like this, like HD quality when we're used to seeing it fucking 2013 Bubble Wallace crash.